Alright guys, I barely made it in the shop, guys. I'm about to go. I got my scan tool hooked up. Let's go to the computer real quick, guys. Hold tight. This car is barely running. Sounds like I'm running on 3 or 4 cylinders. Let's take a look. Alright, here we are. Yes, there's fault code in the PCM. So there's a bunch of other modules, but this is the one I'm concerned with. Let's go to DTC. And I have a multiple cylinder misfire active. Yes, it is. Sounds like that's a multiple of cylinders that's not hidden. Cylinder 5 comes up. All right, let's go and look at which cylinder is misfiring. OBD monitors, and we're gonna right here. Whoa. Ooh, yes. Cylinder 1, cylinder 3, and cylinder 5. Guys, that's on one bank. That, my friend, is bank 1. Okay, I got a problem on the whole complete side of the engine. Bank 1, guys, we got a problem on bank 1. Look at that. All 3 cylinders shows to be missing. Something internal. It's compression test time. Could be a blown head gasket, could be a cracked head. I need to know if this car wants overheated, okay? I need to know some history, but at any rate, due to the year and make and model of the car along with the mileage, I can almost tell what this estimate going to be, guys. Let's go back to the car. I want to take a look at the valve cover as far as oiling system, cooling system. Does it have anything mixed, become mixed, okay? Or is there a mixture of water and oil? Let's go back to the car, guys. Stay tuned. All right, guys. Whoa, y'all see that? Yes, that is a hard miss. That engine is shaking. I'm trying to hold, All right, I'm about to turn it off, guys. Look at that. I'm about to turn it off and check some things. But yes, the whole complete side, bank 1, is misfiring. It's detected. This car is running like crap. Sitting there missing before my eyes. All right, let me shut this off, guys. I don't want to damage anything. Anything that's not already damaged. Let me shut it off. All right, guys, we're back. A couple things I want to look at visually. All right, number 1, where's my oil filler cap? Oh, right here. Let's take a look at this cap. See if there are any signs. Ooh, there's a little small signs of water and oil. Wait to check that. Let's look at the dipstick. Whoa, uh-oh, guys. We're on to something right here. Y'all see that? That is not just oil. Let me wipe this off. Ooh. Oh, guys. We have... I'm very careful using the term blown head gasket. Okay, because these are multi-layered steel head gasket. So you could very well possibly have simply a cracked head. I have long time ago did away with just removing cylinder heads just to replace gaskets. Oh, look at that. All right, guys. There's some internal problems going on with this. That, my friend, that is not oil. That is mixed, oil mixed with water. Okay, all right, so, wait, let me see if I can get you, I'll wipe that side off. That is a mixture. That is a mixture of water and oil. One more time. I might as well stop. Well, guys, I want you to understand something, okay? I know a lot of guys out there like to fix things. In this environment where I'm at, we will not attempt a repair on such a vehicle with that many miles. Yes, that is oil in the water. Yes. Call it milkshake. Some people call it milkshake. Okay. Only thing I can write up, guys, I like I say, a lot of you guys want to see me go deeper into diagnosis, but at this point, guys, I would be wasting time, and that's what I do not have to waste. I understand. I get it. I'm gonna get questions like, why didn't you do this? Why didn't you do a compression test? Why? Because at the end of the day, and what has become visually known is I will have to replace the engine, or I will have to write up an estimate for an engine. Okay, there's no way around it. They will not let me try to repair this. Okay, so to avoid wasting a lot of time doing a lot of tests, I will not do it. But I want you guys to understand why I'm not doing it. Now, you, on the other hand, yes, I encourage you to proceed, do a compression test, do the combustion test where you have your combustion. Watch this video right here. I'll show where you use the combustion tester to put what's the radiator cap. That test will determine if you're getting exhaust gases in the cooling system. There you go. Y'all see that? Wow. Oh, so it's getting bad. Let me see some. Okay, y'all see that? Wow. See that? It's changing color. It was blue. Let me see if y'all can get a good. Y'all see that? It is now greenish looking. So ladies and gentlemen, that is a true indicator. See, there's still some fumes coming right here. That is now green, ladies and gentlemen. So this engine, again, I'm gonna refrain from saying it's got a blown head gasket, because that could be the case, but that's not. You don't want to stop there, guys. You're supposed to call it, or I suggest you call it simple. You're getting exhaust gases into the cooling system. That could be via a head gasket, sure, but it could be via a number of other things. So do not just pull aluminum cylinder heads off just to put gaskets on them. I highly suggest you get those cylinder heads to a machine shop if you're gonna reuse them. Okay, and now you can check a cylinder head for warpage. Okay, straight edge. You can use a straight edge. Can y'all see? You can use a straight edge, guys, and check a head for warpage. All right, but warpage is not really going to tell you. Well, that's the indication that it overheated because it's warped. Okay, but I highly suggest you send it to a machine shop and let them pressurize it and check it for flatness. That way you cover your own butt, guys. In some cases, with this many miles, I can almost guarantee you they're gonna make me write up the engine. This car has 220 some thousand miles. All right, so guys, I'm gonna end this video right here. There's nothing. We can talk on and on and on and on, but like I say, inevitable will be replacing the engine. I wish I could. If I was at Brothers Motors, yes, we will be under a different set of rules. Okay, this place, they don't play that. All right, so guys, that's all I have. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video.